Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna have a surprise here. This is Chitterlings, pig intestines. We got pig intestines. We got 3 packages. My niece, she went to Chicago, Vietnamese town, and she bought this for us. 3 packages of Chitterlings, pig intestine. Pig intestine. We got pig hearts, pig stomach. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And now I'm gonna eat this with all kind of vegetable here. Cucumber, tomato, cabbage, eggplant, celery, and the special sauce for this thing is here. This sauce right here we got from Cambodia. This is from Praha. Praha is really smelly but tasty. Yeah, this is called Tuk Praha, fermented fish. We got this from Cambodia. To dip the chitling or pig intestine with, we got right here the special sauce called Tuk Praha, Praha fermented fish. We got it from Cambodia. So we got this from Cambodia right here. So just put a little bit in the bowl right here, and then we can dip the vegetable and the intestine with it. It's gonna be really good. So the pig intestine, the chitlings already cooked, but we want to make sure that it's really cooked. And so my wife, she gonna take a package right here, and then boil some water. We're gonna cook it again to make sure that everything is cooked right here. So I think it's already clean and everything already. Look at that. Yes. Oh, yummy. So she's gonna make sure that it's really cooked. So we're gonna cook it one more time, but it's actually already cooked already. You can just eat it like that.
The whole thing?
Huh?
You want the whole thing or just that?
That's it. So yeah, so you can see the stomach right there, the intestine, the heart. So just cook a little bit for me. I'm not gonna eat all of it. Look at that. It's beauty. It's gonna be tasty. So if you never tried chitling before, it's a quiet taste. Most people don't like this kind of food, but to us, chitlings, pig intestine, the organs, really tasty. So like I say, I'm gonna dip that with the prahak, the fermented fish from Cambodia, and then I'm gonna eat that with vegetable.
Just bring it to boil.
Yeah, just bring to a boil, and then that's it. You just want to make sure that it's really cooked. When you buy from somebody, when you buy from the store, they might, I don't know if they cook it fully cooked or not, but just want to make sure that you just want to double cook it. Okay, that's about it. And then, oh, can't wait to eat this. This is alright, she gonna cut it to small pieces a little bit. I don't know what part of yeah, this must be the intestine. There's a small intestine. This is what is this one? The big intestine or something else? I don't know. Well, like say in Asia, this is considered very delicacy. Oh, look at that! I hope they clean this good. I don't know what else in there, but oh, this is the stomach. This is the stomach right here. It's a little chewy, I guess. Oh, can't wait to dip into this prahak right here. Cannot wait. That's the beef heart. I mean the pork heart right here. Oh, it's gonna be yummy, 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 yummy. That's it. Okay. All right, let's give it a taste. Chitterling, pig intestine, dipped with prahak, fermented fish from Cambodia. Man. Vegetable here. Celery. Man. Let's try the heart. The prahak go together really good with the pig intestine. This is the stomach right here. Tastes so good. So this food is not for everyone. You know, some people might turn away with this kind of food, chitterling, but it's an acquired taste. You gotta have stomach for this because it's not pretty to look at. But believe me, when you dip it with this prahak, the prahak, oh man, it's so good. This is pretty expensive too. Now my niece, she bought them from Vietnamese store in Chicago. This is about what, $14-15 a pound. Not cheap. So thank you so much for watching. Next time you go to a Vietnamese town, try buy maybe a pound of this chitterling and try it out. See if you like it. I'm pretty sure you will. And so thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. So good.